What's up, guys? It's your girl Katrice, and today I'll be doing a hack or whack video today. I've been seeing all over YouTube people trying out this new hack that is works where you mix your foundation and your translucent or loose powder, and it gives you fuller coverage on your face. So I decided to try it. Why not? So today I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer and my Black Opal Finishing Powder. Now I use this to set my face and it's not translucent. It does have a yellow tint to it. So I'm trying to see if that works as well. I know a lot of people use the translucent powder or the white powder that people use to set their face, but I'm going to try this one because I don't have translucent powder. I don't use translucent powder. I usually use this. So I'm going to mix these two together and we're going to see how it works. So I'm just going to be using my mixing bowl that I usually dye my hair out. It is washed and everything, so I won't have bleach on my face or anything. So I'm going to do about 3 pumps. 2, 3. 3 pumps of that. Yeah, 3 pumps. And I'm going to mix just a little bit. Ooh. So this is how much is in the bowl. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation because that might be too much concealer. I mean, not concealer, but powder. Mix it up with one of my Clio brushes. Okay. So let's see how this goes. Or applies. Ugh, I think I'm gonna put too much foundation. This is turning into a disaster. Okay. I'm going to go wet my beauty blender. So I think I'm not messed up. I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender and we're gonna try this with the beauty blender. One thing I am gonna say, my face is tingling. I don't know what it is. My face is definitely tingling. Right in here and right in here. It's tingling. Okay, so that's all blended in. It's very full coverage. I don't see any of my black marks that I have on my face, except for my forehead. I don't really put a lot of foundation on my forehead, but it's very full coverage. My under eyes aren't dark. I don't see anything wrong with it just yet. I did have a little tingling. Sorry, Jerome's on the phone. But my face did tingle, or it's still tingling, but my makeup doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty flawless. Alright, So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and afterwards, letting it sit for a little bit, I'm gonna see how it looks after that. So I'm gonna continue doing my face. I'm not gonna do a big V. I'm just gonna put powder under my eyes, eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, and blush, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished my face. I did add lashes because my eyes are watering. Y'all know how that goes with me. My eyes watering, lashes are a no-no. So I put on my setting powder, let it sit. I did the rest of my face. I contoured. Oh, y'all, I didn't fix plus. Not fix plus, but my matte spray. Whew. Forgot about this, y'all. Alright, so my battery died, but I charged it, and it's been at least an hour since I did my makeup. Say hey, Anaya. You gonna say hey? But it does make my skin look a little dry. It's not patchy, and it's not like, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't really rub off as easy. It's very thick. So I think I could wear this for a long time, like all day, and not get oily. So I would say this is definitely a hack. I'll probably be doing this more often with my foundation. Probably not as much as I did mix up, maybe less, but I definitely like the full coverage it gives. I only applied my foundation once, blended it in once, and I only highlighted in the T-zone area, and I didn't do anything else to the rest of the face besides putting the matte finish on it. So I definitely think this is a hack. Maybe not with translucent powder, but finishing powder would definitely work for this hack. So yeah. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want more hacks or whack videos, also give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Leave a comment below if you've done this before, if you tried it, and how did it work out for you. And that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next video. Say bye-bye. Bye.